Hello viewers, welcome to Anisa's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. In this video, I will guide you that how you can use SEMrush for various purposes. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing tool that helps businesses and marketers improve their online visibility. Why do we use SEMrush? We can do keyword research, SEO analysis, competitive analysis, site audit, backlinks analysis, content marketing, PPC management, social media management by using SEMrush. Write SEMrush in your Chrome browser and open the site. I have purchased its plan, so I log in to account. If you don't have paid version, get the 7 days free trial of SEMrush. After SEMrush has been opened, click on SEMrush 2 and search for Keyword Magic Tool. The Keyword Magic Tool in SEMrush is used for keyword research and analysis to improve SEO and PPC strategies. So let's type your keyword and select the country. I am selecting United States and search. Here you get a lot of keywords related to your search. This showing you a search volume. You can filter keywords by assigning the custom range from 0 to 14 and apply. These are now the filtered keywords. Click it to open and track the volume. Global volume, chaos, Zarina difficulty and trends of that keyword. These are the related keyword ideas. You can read the competitors' blogs and get the idea of your own blog. Next feature of SEMrush is Keyword Gap Tool. The Keyword Gap Tool in SEMrush is used for competitive keyword analysis. It helps marketers compare their website's keywords with competitors to find opportunities for improvement in SEO and PPC strategies. The Keyword Gap Tool is essential for SEO experts, content marketers, and PPC managers to create a stronger strategy, outperform competitors, and increase search visibility. Write your domain, search your blog on Google, and copy the address, then paste in the domain. And then write your competitor's domain, search the blog on Google, copy its address and paste it. You can add more than one competitor. Here I am comparing only with one competitor, select the country and then compare. These are the resulting keywords. You check the CPC volume of these keywords. The next tool is position tracking. The position tracking tool is used to monitor keyword rankings for a website in search engine results. It helps businesses track their SEO performance over time and measure the effectiveness of their strategies. So let's enter your domain and set up tracking. Number 1 is targeting. Enter the location. Select language and write business name if you want, then continue to keyword. You can import keywords. Select the source and number of keywords. If you are facing problem in importing keywords, you can get it from Google Search Console, or you can add keywords manually. And start tracking. These are the resulting keywords. There are many other useful tools in SEMrush, which include traffic analytics, backlinks gap, site audit, and much more. SEMrush is the best tool for keyword research that help you to rank your blogs on Google. I hope you find my video helpful and informative. For more videos, like and subscribe to Anisa's Tech Tutorials.